Good morning. Yes, my fan is still fucked up. And if you haven't found my Twitch yet, and y'all asking me where the hell we doing the lives, what happened, blah blah blah, you're fucktard. I made a video. I'll leave a link. You see the live show? Seriously, seriously, you fucktard. Live corner is moving to Twitch. It's in the title. It's down here a little bit. You might have missed something. Jesus Christ. Yes. Same thing as yesterday, just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. And on the Quake map, a whole lot less. We're down to 5 hours. You don't understand what's going on? Get over here to this channel. Videos. Oldest first. Have a good time. Those you want to see the Hitler plots, there you go. Fucked. They're fucked. They're fucking fucked. And continually fucked. We're slowing down. We're having big quakes. We're on our side. Your moon's doing cartwheels. What do you expect? Have a nice day.